Let's learn sound of alphabets. A for ant, A for X, A for aeroplane, A for apple. A is the sound of A. B for ball, B for bucket, B for boy. B is the sound of B. C for car, C for cage, C for coat. K is the sound of C. Thanks for watching.